Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Symantec Endpoint Protection through SCCM. First of all, you need to connect to your Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager server and log in with your admin account. Once logged in, you can select Clients and then install a client. It will pop up this little client deployment wizard. From here you want to select a new package deployment. On this window you want to select the install package. Mine is Windows, and the rest you can leave the same. Now when you get to this page you want to click Save a Package. You want to click Save a Package even, and then we need it in an MSI format. So on this page you need to be selecting separate files .msi, and then you need to browse to a file that's a shared folder and save it there. So for me, I've done it on a UNC path. It needs to be a UNC path, so I've put it on my SCCM server. So I'll go ahead and skip this step, but all you need to really do here is select location and save it. So once you've done that on your machine, you can go ahead and then click into your SCCM server, and then from here you can go and open the console, the configuration manager console. Select Software Library, Applications, and create an application. Now from here, from the type, you need to be selecting .msi, as we selected an MSI file as the install package, and then you want to put in here that UNC path that you selected earlier. Now mine, I've already got it here, so it's on one of my servers here, and then I'll take you back a few steps just to show you what it will look like. So I've put it in here, and in here I've put it in an MSI folder. You'll have two bits, obviously. You've got the 32-bit option or the 64-bit option. I'm going to go with the 64-bit option, but that's entirely up to you. Then you select into the product version and select the MSI. Open it up in there, click Next, and essentially it will import it, and you can next it again, and it will essentially complete it, and it will give it a name. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that because I have already done this. As you can see, Symantec Endpoint Protection is here. So all you really need to do now is distribute it to your DPs. So you right click it, select deploy, and then next content is obviously that app that you've installed. You next it again, you click add distribution points and select your DP. Then from there you can next. As I've already done, I won't repeat it, but it's just the next step from all there, and it will distribute out to your distribution points. Once that's done, you can choose how to deploy it. You can either deploy it via a task sequence, or you can deploy it as an application. So I'll let you choose how to deploy it, but that will get you started. Thank you very much for watching the video. Peace.